Hello. Can I be heard? Can I be heard? Hold on. Can you hear me?
Ako siya makikita lang sa'yo yung live mo. Ito na ikaw, di ba ba?
Ay, hindi. Yung isa.
Ay, yung isa yung di atatato. Ito.
Wait. Forward ko.
Hinag pa lang ito din. Kasi yung ako.
Yung isang body.
Ito ma'am?
No.
O isa pa?
There's another one.
Ito siya makita.
Okay now.
Yung wala sigurong Marie.
Hello.
Ito na nakalive.
Can I be heard?
Ayan.
Oh, yeah. Hello?
Palo.
Yay! We're here! Can you hear me? Oh, yeah. hello, everyone, and welcome to our Better Me project. Grabe. I'm still out, but this is like me showing up for all of you. Alright? I just like wanna find out. Yan. Sana naman you can join me. Alright. Sana you can join me here, alright, in our session. While we're waiting for some 2 or 3 people, lali ka nga. Alright.
Hi!
Ayan, so, yan lang po ang aking ka-friend, ka-buddy here. Because I'm attending a function, but then I said that I need to show up so that I'll be able to do this, remember our Better Me project. But anyway, so we're on our day 5. Grabe! Day 5 na tayo ng ating Better Me project, which is like 120 days of intentional living, alright? Kasi, di ba, we all know that the journey of becoming better happens one day at a time, alright? So, I'm just like super happy because, check! Ako po ay nag-show up today. Before ako gumimik dito, I'm somewhere here in MOA. But medyo may Manila Bay. Nakikita nyo naman sa background ko. Alright? So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, in this channel so that you'll be able to, you can also tag your friends so that we will be able to inspire them, to be a better version of themselves. All right? Grabe, di ba? 5 days na. Grabe, we made it. Anyway, so let's go. Okay, let's jump in. What did we talk about for the last, 5 days? All right? For the last 5 days. Ayan. Di ba? We talked about knowing your why statement. All right? That is what we talked in day 1. Then day 2, we talk about having kumuha ng ano. All right. Day 2, we talked about, wait, it's not here. All right. Ayan. All right. We talked about our small wins, right? And then of course, like day 3, we talk about small wins, and then day 4 we talk about growth mindset. Woohoo! Now, hey Josh, I hope that you're doing good. All right. So, for today, we will talk about our lesson for day 5 in order for us to be the better version of ourselves. Let me just tell you a story. There's one professor who gave a quiz to his students. So when they came in, all of the students came in inside the classroom. So they saw yung test nila. And it's all upside down. So upon the cue of the professor, he said, okay, let's go. Try na natin. Mag-start ka na ng quiz. Alright? So they flipped the paper and this is what they saw. Alright? So they were really having a hard time. Sabi nila, ano to? Alright? And so what they did is that, so they started writing an essay, and they did this like for around 5 minutes. And then after that, hey, hey Wilben, alright? And after that, upon submission of this one, the professor asked them, what did you say about the quiz for today? And then they were all saying that, oh, did you know, sir, the black dot inside the circle in the white paper is so small. And then some said that it's not in the center. Some said that, it's not, the circle is not perfect. So all of them were really focusing on the black dot. Oh, hi, Miss Mensch. And you know what happened? The professor said, all of you were focusing on the black dot, but nobody noticed all the white spaces. Oh, ganyan ka ba sa buhay mo, kapatid? Na nakikita mo lang yung problema mo, hindi mo nakikita yung mga sobrang daming blessings na nare-receive mo. Oh, my friend, for today's session, we will talk about having a grateful heart. We need to talk about gratitude, and that will help you become a better person. Diba? Sino guilty? If you're guilty, pakisabi, ouch. If you're guilty, there's so many things in front of you, but what you're focusing on are this one. But there are like so many blessings that you have been receiving. Kapatid, today, let us start focusing on the bigger things. Let us start focusing on our blessings. Hindi mo man nakukuha or nagiging frustrated ka dyan, hey, look at the other blessings that you have, right? So, that is my encouragement to all of you. Now, if you're going through something, my friend, this is my encouragement to you. Focus on the blessings. Hey, if you have any blessing that you feel that, like you want to highlight it, kindly type it in the comment section below. Kasi diba, so many times, ang pinofocus natin, mga problema. Diba? Mga problema. But hey, there are like so many things that we can focus on. Stop focusing on the black dot. Alright? Yay! Ang galing ba? Ang galing ba? Diba? So, yon. Go, go, go. Type it. Miss Mensch, Miss Anne, maybe you want to type it in the comment section below. No? Ano yung mga small dot na pinafocus nyo? Alright? But actually, this is what I want you to do. Focus on the big, all the other blessings that you have. Would you like to type it in? Ano ang blessings mo today? Where do you feel like you are super, super blessed? Right? Kasi that is like what we really do. And I'm gonna share with you 3 ways, alright? 3 things that we should be doing in order for us to help us become the better version of ourselves. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Alright. So, yan. The first key thing that we have to do is that, start with 3. In your journal, alright, I want you to write the 3 things that you are super grateful for. Hi, Jerome. Come on, Jerome and Mensch, kindly type. Wilben, kindly type the 3 things, Start with 3. 3 things that you are grateful for. Alright? It can be you're grateful that you have a job. Hey, come here! Grateful that you have a job. Halika dito. Alright, this is like my office mate. Alright, yay!
Hello,
Bro,
good evening.
anong blessings mo today? Maybe you want to share one.
Blessing for today. The
Yes.
fact that I survived the day is already a blessing.
Oh, galing-galing naman. Yay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ma'am.
All right, di ba? Tama yan. The mere fact that you survived the day, or you were able to make it, that is already a blessing. Yan yung mga kagimik ko ngayon. Alright, after this one. Alright, go. So start with 3. Kindly write the things that you are grateful for today. Ayan. Sige. So, what you need to do tonight, when you practice having this grateful heart, all you have to do is start with 3. 3 things that you're grateful for, so you write it down. Okay, and number 2 tip, kapatid, you need to be specific. Fine. Di ba sinabi mo, I'm grateful for today. Okay? I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful for my friends, no? Be specific. You can say, I'm grateful for my friend for she waited for me. I'm grateful for my job because because of this job, I am able to buy things that I'll be needing for my family. Ganon. Alright? Oh, Miss Anne. Oh, Miss Anne, that is not what you're worrying, no? Yes. Stop focusing on the black thing. Focus on the other things that you still have. Yan! Alright? So the first thing is that start with 3, and the second key action is that be specific. And of course, like number 3 is that, practice, okay, gratitude for challenge. Yan yung number 3 that we should be working on. Practice like really being thankful, being grateful for all of the challenges that you have been receiving. Ako today, yung challenge ko, alam mo, sobra ako talaga naging grateful. Kasi, I was able to temper my... I was able to tone down, alright, or like really stop myself from getting inis. And I'm grateful for that. That moment that, syempre, di ba, naiinis ka, tao ka lang, human being ka lang, di ba? Meron kang mga hindi type. But then, you know what? I am like super grateful because I was able to like really manage my emotions. Panalo sa akin yun. Grabe, effort sa akin yun. Yung mga bagay-bagay na gano'n. Alright? So, remember that. Alright? So again, start with 3. In order for you to practice having a grateful heart, is that start with 3. Then number 2 is that really be specific. And number 3 is also include in your journal, you know, the challenges that you are grateful for. Ayan. Go! Let me write all of your challenges. Joshua, my greatest blessings is I have released... Yes! Oo nga! I love that. Your own composition, no? Ang galing-galing mo talaga, Joshua and Jerome. Alright? How about you, Miss Mensch? Ano pa ang mga grateful ka? Again, you have to be specific. Alright? So, woohoo! That is for our day 5. Grabe, day 5 ng ating mga session today. Go! I wanna see your comments. Alright? Ayan. Grabe, no? Nakaabot ako ng day 5. And I'm just like super blessed because I am able to do this even though I'm out. This is me showing up before I do my gimmick. Alright? Mensch. Ooh. You were able to have your favorite tuna pesto. Yes, even that small thing, right? Ang sarap-sarap ng pakiramdam. Yay! Alright? So, and then of course, so in your journal, which eventually I will release, kapatid, I'm working on this one. So you have to put day 5, no? So in your journal, in your blank space, what you need to do is to put day 5 and then write gratitude and then your MIT. And I guess this will be for tomorrow, right? MIT. My intention today is that, I will focus more on the, okay, ligay ko dito kasi sa intention ko is that I will focus more on the blessings rather than, all the negativity around me. Yan. So, when you have that intention, di ba ang saya? Bago ka mainis, iniisip mo na kagad, wait, your intention is to be grateful today. Yun. So, that is like a very, very important thing that you will have to remember. Then, of course, like the 3 things, again, start with 3, be specific, and then, of course, like practice gratitude for all of the challenges that you receive. And remember this. Oh, yes. And Miss Mensch, you know what? I'm really looking forward to releasing this, no? I'll be sharing this to all of you. Siguro, ayusin ko lang yung template and I'll be sharing that. Ayan. So again, ito na yung ating journal. And again, mga kapatid, all of the things that you have, yes, no? Kasi diba, napakaliit lang yan, pero it's very, diba, nobody can ignore this, right? Pero stop focusing on this one, that one negativity, that one bad thing that happened to you. Focus on all the white spaces, all the blessings that you still have in your life. Ayan. Grabe. And I'm just like so happy to be able to do this. Woohoo! I showed up for today! Dapat kayo rin, no? Nag-show up kayo sa buhay ninyo. Diba? And again, thank you so much for being here. I'm just like really, really super happy that I get to do this. Perfect ang aking attendance. Day 1 to day 5. Alright, it's only 117 days before we say goodbye to 2024. So mga kapatid, please don't forget to like really work on this every day. Alright? Woohoo! So, practice gratitude because it brings you more peace and joy in your journey. Right? Doon na tayo mag-focus sa gratitude. And of course, like the Better Me Project, it is like for 120 days or because we have to do this challenge and we all know this, the journey of becoming better happens one day at a time. And again, this journey is about progress. It is about progress. It is not about perfection. So let's keep growing, keep learning, and keep transforming. Woohoo! Ayan. So I'll see you again tomorrow for our day 6 of Better Me Project, 120 days of living intentionally. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Miss Mash. Bye.